Hi, this is Valeria, and I'm a portfolio manager here at White Short Media. This is the story of a full-service automotive repair shop that was struggling to stand out in a competitive market. Their challenge? Too many competitors and not enough qualified leads. That's where me and the team stepped in. We started by analyzing the industry, understanding the client's goal, and diving deep into what their competitors were doing. Then, we built a high-intent keyword strategy tailored to focus the services that matter most: brakes, diagnostics, engine repair, and more. We implemented conversion tracking to monitor lead quality and use that insight to refine the ad copy and targeting. The results: more than 2,000 targeted clicks, 90 qualified conversions, and the cost per conversion dropped by 50%. All this while maintaining more than 49,000 impressions and improving lead quality month over month. The campaign now brings in consistent and high-value leads.